How to fix TEKKEN 7 lag easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it. All you need to do to fix it, go to settings and then go to updates and security. Now make sure your Windows is updated. If it's not, just install the update and restart your PC. After that, right click on Genshin, on TEKKEN I mean, sorry, and then properties, and now click compatibility, and once you're here just click change settings for all users, and that's it. Enable those two options, disable full screen and run this program as an administrator, and then click OK, and restart your PC and try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.